What's good, YouTube? It's your homeboy Camcorder Banks, the headwear connoisseur, streetwear lover, straight like that. Y'all know how it goes, man. Welcome to my channel, Cooler with Camcorder, where you can get content focused on streetwear, sneaker content, and menswear fashion, all in the same sitting. Now, with that being said, today I got something special for y'all. Now, it took me a while to grow into this sneaker. Now that I got it, I'm happy that I even got it. We're talking about the Air Max 720. So without further ado, let's just get right into it, man. Roll camera, roll camera, roll camera. Alright, what's good, y'all? Now, before we even get to this sneaker, man, we have to look at this box because it's actually crazy. I was actually excited for this box. So, like I said, before we get to this sneaker, let's look at this box real quick. Bam! I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Oh, look at that. It's like this metallic writing, like this millennial metallic like writing that you see on this box. On here it says Air Max 720, and I think this is pretty dope. And on the front of it, it has like all the different logos of the Nike Air Max. So like all the different versions of Nike Air Maxes that they've ever had, they have all those prints and logos on here, which I think is pretty dope. I don't know if y'all can see that too much, but I'll give you a closer glimpse soon. But just looking at the box, it's like, man, this is dope. I'm pretty happy about this box because it's like, for Nike to do something like this, they kept it in mind for like people that do unboxing. Like, yo, we're gonna get excited just to look at the box, so it brings more anticipation to you before you even get to the sneaker. That's something that actually made me happy about this box. So like, the marketing on here is crazy, so shout out to Nike for that. First of all, shout out to y'all. This is crazy. I love all the patterns on here. Like, it says like MX Air, Air Max, Nike Air, Air Max 360, Nike Air, Air Max 180s, Air Max 360s, 720s. This is crazy. So I'm happy about this. So shout out to Nike for that one, man. So we already got to the box. Let's move on to this shoe, man. Let's get right to it. Let's open this box. Bam! Bam! Straight like that. Look at that. Boom! That's a cold sneaker right there. Now, to keep it 100 with y'all, like I said, I wasn't even into the 720s because I was such a fan of the 270s, the Air Max 270s. I was such a fan of that version of a lifestyle sneaker. I was so hype up on that. So like, this coming out, I wasn't too hype about. Like, I seen the first colorway that they put out. I didn't enjoy like the purple, I didn't enjoy the purple color. It wasn't my thing. And at the same time, I didn't like that, like the little holes that was in it to make it look mesh. And I didn't like that black center that they had on there. It wasn't my type of, it didn't fit me. So I wasn't too much into it. So immediately I was against any other 270s that was coming out because I just thought the rest of them, however they did it, they was gonna make it look all the same and I was gonna get bored really quick. But they had this turnaround that's just crazy. So when this colorway came out, I had to grab it, man. So let's check this shoe out real quick. Now, if you look at this shoe, it got some like crazy pattern on here, which I really do enjoy. They have a number of different like textures, fabrics, technology that's on here. Like, first thing first, you'll see the pattern that's on here. They have that hard shell. It's like a hard rubber shell that's navy blue on here. It starts the pattern off and it makes the pattern spread out along the shoe. So you'll see in the front, on the back, you'll see different shapes and different sizes and different lines. It kind of reminds me of the Vapor Max, which is one of my favorites, the black and orange Vapor Max. They have like the lines that's going across, as you can see on here. Like, you can see the pattern that's on the front and it goes all the way to the back. So shout out to Nike for that because it brings some imagination. It makes me think of like some type of island that starts here and then the waves start to go out with the waves on around the island. So that's what makes me more excited about this sneaker. It go along with the colorway. So I'm like a story type of person. So if I'm looking at this, like, my first thing first, I'm gonna look at this like a small island, waves starting to form around the island, and then it kind of gives me that aquamarine type of color. So of course, like when you put aquamarine coloring around here, you put waves and you think about island, it all comes together as a dope sneaker for me. So I'm actually excited about this. I'm really happy about this sneaker. So yeah, shout out to Nike for that. On this upper, they went crazy for this one. And if you look on the front of this sneaker, you'll see that they have like a hard shell up on the front of here and then give it that navy blue touch. So the color play on this sneaker is just crazy. I love the pattern, I love the design, I love these crazy little shapes that's on here. Now, looking at the tongue, if y'all didn't know, This is a Nike Air Max, and if you need any further confirmation, it says it right there on the front for you. So it says Nike Air Max. Well, not Nike Air Max. It says Air Max on the front. It's like just in time. You just in time for a Nike Air Max Day. For those that want to represent for Air Max Day, I'm looking forward to it. So you will definitely see me rocking these for Nike Air Max Day in 2019. So I'm ready for y'all. Now, if you look around the shoe, of course you'll see like this ripple effect that's going around, but they also show like the Nike on the front. You'll see the Nike swoosh on the front, you'll see it on the side, and you'll also see it on the back. And looking a little closer to it, if you look on the back of this humpback back there, you'll see that it says 720 back there. So they actually did their job once it comes to like showing that, keeping their logo around, but at the same time keeping it real discreet. It's not just plastered everywhere, so it doesn't get overwhelming or anything like that. So shout out to Nike for keeping it funky. I think this is real dope. Now, of course, we done talked about the inside of the sneaker, we done talked about the upper of the sneaker, we done talked about the tongue of the sneaker and the back of the sneaker, but it's time to get to that midsole. This is something that everybody was talking about, and this is something that I was more so concerned about when I seen this sneaker. Like, I've seen like all the YouTubers and everything, and I was more so concerned, like, I'm a big guy, I'm 6 feet, I'm 230, so I'm like, okay, will this hold my weight when I put my sneaker up in this? Because of course this entire midsole is an air bubble, like the entire, from the front all the way around the entire sneaker, it's air. I was more so concerned, like, if I step in this shoe and I weigh this much, I'm this tall, I weigh this much, is it just gonna smash down? Of course. And I'm thinking, like, out of all the videos that I've done seen, a lot of people will put pressure and weight on the back and it will smash down. But what I've come to see is that was just force applied, like apply pressure against the ground. So when you step in these sneakers, it's not gonna instantly just squish down when you step in here. So if you're concerned about that, like, don't worry about that, because this actually feels like walking on clouds. Like, you wouldn't even believe that this is an air bubble, and you would think that you're gonna pop it, but bruh, it's not like that at all. If you're walking in this sneaker, you will not damage this bubble. You will not damage it at all. It's actually comfortable. It's one of the most comfortable Air Max sneakers I have ever had. Side note, I am an Air Max 90s person to the bone, but when it came to this is the most comfortable Air Max I have ever felt. Like, putting my foot inside of this sneaker and walking around or running around, the most comfortable. It really does feel like walking on a cloud. Like, if there was a true thing as walking on a cloud, it will feel like this. After walking around in the sneaker, I've come to see, like, this is fire. I think I may get another one of these with a different colorway. So shout out to Nike for that. So again, like, the comfort on here is just crazy. Now when you get to the bottom of the sneaker, you'll see there's more cushion at the bottom, and it does say Air Max at the bottom. Now here you'll see the ridges up front for when you're walking on the balls of your feet, and there's more air, like more cushion at the bottom of this sneaker. If you're walking on the street, and you're walking on wood, or you're walking wherever, you're always gonna have some comfort around the entire bottom of this sole. Like, this sole is crazy. The bottom of the sneaker is just flawless to me, because it's focused on mainly comfort. Now, when it comes to like recommendation, would I recommend this sneaker to somebody? Yes, I would recommend this to anybody who loves lifestyle sneakers, anybody who's looking for a sneaker that's extremely comfortable. Now, if you're looking for like sizing and how to fit is, this is a true to size sneaker. So if you're looking for like a sneaker that's gonna fit like a glove, this is it. This is a true to size sneaker. You don't have to do too much of going up a full size or a half size. If you do, that's to your choosing, but you really don't have to do too much. It's a true to size sneaker. So grab your right size, and you'll be all good to go. If you're looking for the price range for this sneaker is about $180. A sneaker like this, a lifestyle sneaker like this with crazy design, the technology in this shoe, the comfort that's all around this shoe, $180 is a great price. This is amazing. So shout out to Nike again. They did their job with this one. The colorway is just perfect, man. I'm excited for this. Will I buy another if it comes out with a crazy colorway? Yeah. Say go and get it. Go to the shop. Go get it now, because this is one of the hypest shoes that's around right now. So go and get it. Don't waste your time before your size is gone. But yeah, with that being said, it's time to put these joints on my feet, show y'all how these look, and let's get right to it, man. Roll camera.
Yeah, I've been rejected since inception, nigga, but somehow I'm still a GOAT. Probably cause I'm gripping the mic like I grip a throat. Straight chokehold. Fucking with this misfit is a no-no. Only pots we had we used for baths in my old home. Never would've thought it, would ya? see this glow, nigga? Superhuman, I levitate off the flow, nigga. In this bizarro land, I don't understand what the fuck is going on anymore. It's a problem, man. I see these lame niggas eating. What the fuck is that? Since when we reward niggas for being fucking whack? And why we celebrating trash? Nigga, tell me that. Now these niggas wearing dresses. Where they do that at? Old school, but I'm grouped in with my.
Alright, y'all, that sums up my video for today. I appreciate y'all vibing with me, man. Drop that comment down below. Let me know if you plan on even getting these sneakers. If you think they good, they bad, they fuego, they trash. Let me know what's up. If you waiting on a colorway, if you prefer the 270s over the 720s, drop that comment down below and let me know how you feel about these sneakers, man. And at the same time, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, because this is going to help my channel grow to its fullest potential. So I'd appreciate you if you hit that like button. And if you haven't already and you enjoy content that's focused on streetwear, sneaker content, or menswear fashion, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Smash on that button right now and become a part of the Camera Rolling Squad with your homeboy today. So with that being said, man, I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm gonna catch up with y'all next time. And as usual, I'm your homeboy Camcorder Banks. I'll catch up with y'all next time. I'm out. I'm gone. I'll holla at you. Peace.